Okay, stand in the door, baby. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett, guys. In today's video, I want to talk about an easy way that you can make money working from home online. An easy way you can make money working from home online. An easy way to make money working from home online, guys, is to have an automated marketing system and a sales funnel, right, that can actually present products and services, right, in front of a particular target audience and then present those products and services and market those products and services and close sales for those products and services all on complete automation. Now, I say an easy way to make money working from home online because if you think about it, guys, when you think about the traditional job, right, you're constantly trading all of your time, right, for hourly wages and salary, right? But you're trading your time for money, right? Like, okay, just traditionally, 8 hours translates into a lot of time that you're spending because you have to trade time for money. But when you use automated marketing systems and sales funnels, thanks to the World Wide Web, thanks to digital automation, thanks to YouTube, Facebook, Craigslist, the list goes on and on and on and on, guys. You can actually set up your very own automated marketing system and sales funnels that can make sales for you every single day of the week, right? And remember, guys, we're talking about automated, right? Automated marketing systems. Why do we call them automated marketing systems? Guys, watch this. I'm going to put my email address in this box down here, right? I set this page up, by the way. If you guys are on my YouTube channel, you seen these pages, right? I can edit these pages within an instant, right? I can set up capture pages within an instant. And you guys are going to learn a lot more about this, but I just want you guys to understand and wrap your mind around the concept, okay? Understand and wrap your mind around the concept, right? I did a video the other day. I was talking about somebody calling me a dinosaur, right? And we know that dinosaurs, if they ever existed, ceased to exist because they simply couldn't adapt to their environment, right? They couldn't transition and evolve fast enough to keep up with what was going on in their environment, so they eventually went extinct, guys. And I like to say in a lot of my videos that the new illiterate of the 22nd century and moving forward will not be people that cannot read and write, but people who simply can't navigate their way around the World Wide Web. Anyway, before I get into a rant, which I can do, let's come down here, guys. Let's look at how the automated marketing system and sales funnel works in 3 simple steps. I just position myself in an instance like this in front of my target audience. I ask for their email address. They ask for instant access, right? So when they do that, guys, we're going to put in this little captcha or this little code, which they would have to do to get access to this priceless information, right? And once they do that, well, actually it's got to be all caps, guys. Let's make it all caps. Now, what am I doing, guys? Look, bear with me, guys. I can't see that great in the daytime, and it's dark where I am sitting in my office, so I can't see. Okay, let's submit, guys, and see what happens. Okay, once you submit, guys, in an automated marketing system and or a sales funnel, you simply redirect your target audience, your prospect, to wherever it is you want them to go. I don't know what you're selling, guys. You might be selling pencils, right? You could be a person that has your own mom and pop operation. Who knows, right? But when you understand the actual anatomy of automated marketing system and sales funnels, you can simply set them up, as many as you want to set up, by the way, and simply turn them loose, right? Getting in front of your target audience and letting the automated marketing systems and sales funnels do what they do. In this instance, guys, I'm going to show you guys. I ask my prospects to redirect. And where does it take them? Wow. To another video, guys, where we talk a little bit more about how your potential prospects, clients, customers, future teammates, selling your products and services, whether it be pencils or hair products, right? How this all happens on complete automation. So let's see if we back out of this funnel real quick, guys. This automated marketing system and sales funnel. We're backing out of it now. And I'm bringing you guys right back to the actual front door of exactly what an automated marketing system and sales system is. And I just showed you what an automated marketing system and sales funnel can do. If you want to learn more about how you can get in on this cool, it's just too cool. You want to learn more information about how you can start doing it within the next 24, 48 hours, guys, go ahead on, give me your name and your email address if you're on YouTube. And if you opted into my page, you just simply click the continue button, guys. And we'll run you over to a presentation that's going to explain all this. We're going to lay it all out for you guys and roll it out on a red carpet. How about that? Anyway, that's my time, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. I hope you found some value in it. Go ahead on and subscribe to me if you're finding me on YouTube. If and when I decide to put this on Facebook, guys, go ahead on and share this with somebody that you really love, right? It really could be some life-changing information. It just depends on you. Anyway, that's my time, guys. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.